Alright guys, I will show you how to light up a fireplace, okay? We have this nice cozy one in our house. Let me set up and show it to you how to do it quickly. Now for some splinters and smaller pieces of wood, which we're gonna place, and that's gonna be the starter, almost the starter. And then you add the fire starter, either paper or some floss or some wooden scrapings. This is like shavings, wood shavings, which you can either buy or prepare yourselves from pieces of wood. You just need to scrape off a bit of wood and roll it together like this, okay? And that's very good to light up the fireplace. So this we're gonna put under the smaller wooden pieces. And now we need to close the doors. All right. And it's gonna work now. Now you can see the small wood has already caught on fire, and I'm gonna show you when it's already burning nicely. This one is already caught on fire, and I've shut the lights down, and now it's starting to light up nicely and look warm and cozy. I love it. You can sit here by the fireplace and look at the light. It's pretty cold outside and smoky, but when it heats up, all's gonna disappear. As you can see, it took a few seconds to light it up, provided you have the right wooden scrapes and well seasoned wood. These chairs are here to sit by the fire and enjoy a coffee or whiskey or whatever. Hi guys, so you can see now the fire is going well. It's not gonna die off, no chance. There is no smoke anymore. The chimney is heated up, so